with that, as our final performance and our final dance, we would like to invite anyone who wants to come dance with us. This invitational dance to come dance with your young kids. They need you. They want you to come. So come support them. Come dance. This is Teddy's song. Teddy's song. Come on and dance, everyone. Invitational. Don't beat that ugly. Ikaw ba? Where's she? I know she's somewhere around here. And she's just a rad dancer. Where is she? She's getting ready. Yeah. Getting ready to. Oh. All right. And with that, give them another round of applause, guys.